everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my mani box for you for the month of April 2019. This theme is La Femme. So I get these boxes every single month. They are produced through Beautometry. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll see that I've been doing these for quite some time now, and I really enjoy getting them every month. They've got some really neat items, and if you're new to nail art, they are a perfect box that can just, they're a theme based, so that you can just do whatever theme is in the box, or you can do your own thing. They're really cool, and I really enjoy all the stuff that I get in them. So I'm going to share with you everything that is in this month's box. Alright, so it always has a little card. So like I said, it's from Beautometry. And then it says, enjoy this exclusive coupon for a code, for my mani box subscribers, take 15% off site-wide. So that's pretty nice. They gave us a coupon code. Last time they gave us a free stamping plate, so that's pretty cool. So this theme, like I said, is La Femme, and that is what their little card looks like. And then it lets you know what is actually in the box this month. So I always like that they add the prices and stuff like that. This kind of tells you how much the box is actually worth. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. We got more cute little bags. So this one is this is from Beautometry themselves. This is the set of 5 double-ended dotting tools, and they are $5 American. I don't actually have this set, but I've always seen it on like all the websites, but I have a lot of dotting tools already, so I'm not sure if I'll keep this or what I'll do with it. Then, if you may have seen on my Instagram, I broke my wizard brush. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yeah, I broke this by accident. Sorry. Yeah, so I broke this by accident. The whole like brush there just like came completely off, and they saw it, like my mani box saw it, so then they said they would send me another one for free. So thank you very much for sending me this, because I actually really like it, because it's a nice detail brush. It's really nice, and I like the wizard aspect of it. I think I got this back in October's box, something to do with a spider or something like that. But yeah, they sent me another one, so that one's not actually included in this box. But anyways, so now we have a nail polish. I've never heard of this brand. This one is called Mazura. It's like a light purple sparkle. This one is called Love. So it said we would have got one of the following. So you either got Breathe, Create, Dream, Love, and they are $10 American. Just kind of gotta open it up. So it's kind of like a pinky purple. It looks pretty transparent, but we will see how it goes. It looks pretty. Alright, so now we got some stamping plates. You can get the stamping plates out. Alright, we got 3 stamping plates. Oops. I don't know if I was supposed to get 3. Yes, I was. Alright, so we'll start with the Moo London one. So we've got Lingo, and this is Abby, and this one is number 3. So it's got all these cute little sayings. I think they're all in French. Looks kind of like they're all in French. Very nice. I don't really have a plate that's actually like that, so that should be good. Then the next one I have is Flower Power, and this one is Dahlia. And I really like this. Ooh, this one is number 24. I really like that a lot. Oh, and these are $9.99 each, American. Really like that one. That one will be probably used very soon. And then we have a Dixie plate. This is Lace 01, and this is $15 American. So that is pretty cool. I like that one. I think this is my second Dixie plate, I think. So overall we've got 10, 20, 35, 45, so $50 I think is worth this box. So that is pretty neat to know how much you're actually spending. But yeah, so that is everything in April's My Mani box. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.